Hey guys, welcome back. So guys, in this video, we are going to learn about file upload in Laravel 10. Okay. So guys, basically we are going to upload the file, which is file or image, and display that file or image. Okay. So now guys, let's get started. So guys, as we have seen in previous video, we have done one category CRUD application. And if you want to learn how to create this CRUD application, you can just follow this tutorial. And this tutorial link is given in the description. Okay. So now guys, let's take these categories itself to upload a image. Okay. So image is basically nothing a type of a file. Okay. So now guys, let's get started. So let's click here on add category. So on the save of this category, you have to upload the image also. Okay, upload the file. So now guys, let's move to this route, which is category /create. So let's go to our editor. So let's move to the routes web.php, and in this web.php we are finding our categories here. Okay, so category /create, which is coming on the get method. Okay, so let's go to this create function at your controller. So we are here, and on this function you are calling a blade file with the help of view function. So let's go to this blade file. Perfect. So we have reached here guys, and let me add one input field as a type file. Okay, add one extra column. So let's add a label and tell here upload file /image. Okay, and create an input type, and its type is going to be a file, and let's give the name. And I want to upload this file as an image, so I will keep the input name attribute value as image. And let's design this input using the form control class of Bootstrap. Okay, so guys, main thing, if you're using an input type file, you have to add one attribute inside your form tag. Okay, so at the end, I'm going to add enc type equal to multi-part form data. So this is very important. If you don't provide this, your image or file or anything, it's not going to be uploaded. Okay, only it's going to save the data for the other input fields. So now guys, let's continue. So once you click on this save button, you're going to upload the file. Okay, so guys, before uploading you have to do few steps like creating this column. So let me just show you inside my database. So here is my categories table, but here I don't have any image column. Okay, so let me just show you on the structure part. So here you see I don't have any image column. So guys, let's create one migration file and push that. Yep. So open a new terminal and let's create one migration php artisan make migration add image to categories table. So make sure this categories is spelling is correct as per your database name here. Okay, so I have given correct and hit enter. So here you see a migration file is created. Let's go inside our database migration, and at the last you will find that file. Perfect. So guys, here you see you have got the correct table name. Okay, so if you don't find correct table name, please retype, delete this file and retype it again. Done. And now guys, let's add the $table of, I want to store the string value in that image column, and it's going to be nullable. That's it. And also guys, I just want to add this image after the description, so you can mention that part. So a $table of after function, here you give the column name. So my column name will be description. So after description I want to add the image field. Let's give comma and type the function, open and close curly brace, and give semicolon. Done. And now let's push this inside that after function. So guys, you're accessing this table, so you need to pass inside this function $table and you will get here. Cool. So now guys, let us, in the down function you have to call that like $table of drop column. function. So my column name is image here. So I'm going to drop the column whenever you roll back your migration file. So now guys, let's migrate this. PHP artisan migrate. Hit enter. So file is migrated. And now let's refresh once and you'll be finding that image column after the description. Okay, cool. So guys, we have added, and now let's get back. Let me close this migration file, and you need to add that column in your model. So for that, just go to your app models where category.php is your model name. And after the description, I want to add that column name as image here. Done. Let me close it. And now guys, you are get ready to save the images. Perfect. So now guys, once you submit the form, it takes the file and goes to the form action, and action is going to one route with the method post. Okay, and also with the file type here. So guys, let's search for this route in your web.php file. So here is the route guys, which is going through the post method. Okay, so where it's going on the store function. So let's move to this category controller at store method. So let's go there. Perfect. So we have reached here. And now guys, this is the complete function which we have seen in previous video about doing this CRUD operation. Okay, so Laravel turned CRUD operation. Now get back again. First step, we are going to do the validation of that. So I'm going to add one image inside this validate method or a function of your validation rules here. So first step, I will tell it is required, or you can mention nullable also, like if you don't want to upload sometime image for the category, and add the types. So let's tell MIMES colon. I'm going to accept PNG images, JPG, and also JPEG. So if you want to accept more image format like WebP also, you can accept it. Okay, it just depends on your requirement. And now guys, let us write the code here. Once you get the file, what you have to do, where you have to upload. So let us type in a if condition first here, like if dollar request has of image. So what is this has doing here? It is checking whether it has some file or not. Let's get the file here in a variable called file, and dollar request of file function. Then you have to call your input field name. So let me just show you. Here is my file upload. So this is the image field. Okay, so you have to call that field here, image. Okay, so guys, you have got the file, and now let's take the extension from this file. So dollar extension equal to dollar file of get client original extension. And then guys, you need to create one file name to save into our database. So let's tell dollar file name equal to a time function, and then concatenate with the extension. Okay, so while concatenating, you have to add this dot in between. Okay, so it means like your time dot jpg. Okay, so our file name is created guys, and now let's move this file into one folder. Dollar file, copy this and paste here, and use a move function. Okay, so while moving, where you want to move to one destination. So guys, you can just type here uploads forward slash your category and forward slash and then your complete file name. So dollar file name. So this is the variable you are pasting here guys. So once done, you can just take this file name and save into your category database. So after the description, I'm going to the image column and dollar file name and give comma. And also guys, I want to store the complete path of this file inside this column. So for that, you can just create one variable called path equal to, inside this path you can paste your data. So let's control X and paste here. And now you can use this dollar path inside this move function and also here, and just use concatenate for that. So now you have the data with path and your file name. So it will be very easy to access in your application. Done. So now guys, let us test it. So let's go to our browser. Once refresh to see the input field here. Perfect. So we have got the input field and let's enter smartwatch. So let me just copy this, paste here, smartwatch description, and it will be active. And let's choose for file upload. So here I select with the smartwatch, open, and now guys, let's click to save it. Perfect. Category added. Let's go back to the categories page. So here you see you have added the smartwatch. Let's see if we have stored the file name inside our database or not. Let's browse. Cool. So here you see guys, our file name is stored inside our database, but let us see if the file is uploaded or not. So let's go to our editor and you should go to this path. So first, let's move to our public folder, and inside public we will find of uploads, then category, and inside that category you will find the file guys. So perfect. So here you see we have successfully uploaded the image. Okay. So now guys, let us display that image at view of this category. Okay, so let's get back to this route guys. Just move to your editor, web.php, and here is the categories URL, which is going to the index function. So let's move there, and on this index function you are going to the blade file called category.index, so which is going to a index blade file. So let's move there, and here we are guys. Okay, so this is my table which is visible over here. Done. And now guys, let us add one column name as image before this is active. So here is my is active. Let me copy and paste, and let's name as image here. And then we are going to move after this description, add one td tag, and then guys, let's use a img tag, which is to display the image. And let's open and close curly brace and use this same variable $item of image. Okay, so let's remove the description and add image here. So you have the complete path. Okay, so I'll just show you. So we have stored the complete path, so we do not need to call like go to public folder, upload categories. Okay, so we have the complete path here. One thing you are missing is about using the asset function inside this. So inside this asset function you have to call. This asset is used for calling your root path. Okay, and then guys, you can use a class called with 100% to display the complete image, or you can do your custom styling, like use a style attribute width 70px, height height colon 70px. Okay, and then you can add one alt here, alternate name for this image. And now let's save and see the output. Let's come refresh. Cool. So here you see you got this image guys. So guys, we saw about how to upload the image and also display the image. Okay, so now guys, I just wanted to also explain about how to edit this category and upload its image. So it's the same process how we have done for add category. So let's click on this edit, and now guys, you need to add that same input field whatever we have used. So for that you can just get back, and let me open this sidebar. So inside this create blade.php, we have the input field here for file upload. So let's copy this same field and paste after the is active. Done. And you have to do some changes here guys, which is about the form tag. So inside the form tag, you need a enc type multi-part form data. Okay, so this is mandatory if you are using any input field of file. Okay, and now guys, let us check again, refresh. So now guys, once you update this, you need to upload the image on the update function. So we have not written that code, so let's go back, and on this form tag you see that you are going to this edit URL. Okay, categories id, and then edit with the method post, and also method put. You are updating to put method. Okay, so you have to find a route which is using a put method and updating the record. So let's go to our web.php, and here is a URL guys, and which is using put method. Okay, so let's go to here controller on update function. So let's move to that update function here. Perfect. So we are here, and now guys you need to use the validation. So as I have did already, let's copy from the above validation. Let's copy this and move below, paste here. So validation is done, and also the same code for the image upload. So let's copy this and paste below, and also for update the image column. So let me just copy again and paste here. Perfect. So everything is same guys, but you have to do some change while uploading the image. So here one more step we are going to add while image upload. So that is about deleting the old image and uploading the new image. For example, right now you don't have any image here, so you're uploading it. In case you have the image here and you want to re-upload, okay, so you have the image and you want to upload that again, different image. So in that case, you have to delete the old image and then upload with this new image. Okay, so guys, let's see here in the code, file colon colon exist function in the if condition. Okay, so just use if, open and close curly brace, and you have to check that the file exists or not. So how can you check that? So first up guys, here we are going to modify these things. So let's control X and just go above this if condition and paste that here. Okay, so first find that category. If it's there, if the category is found, then it is going to store its category data inside this category variable, and then you're going to update here. Okay, so this problem is sorted for the update. And now coming back to this if condition of file exist, so here dollar category of image. Okay, so now you are able to check whether the file exists or not. And here we are getting a warning. Let's import the class guys, import the class here, and it is about illuminate support facets file. So let's click on it and let me just show you the class here. Okay, so this is the class. Now we can get back to that same code, and if the file exists, then you're going to use the file colon colon delete function to delete that image. Okay, and how can you delete? So you just need to use the same path of that file. Okay, so you give a full path of that file, it will automatically delete from that public folder. Okay, so now get back. So let's get back and upload with this mobile image. Okay, so let's click on edit here and select with the image upload. So it's on mobile, just open, let's update. Perfect, category updated, and you can view that image here. Cool. And now guys, let's upload for this laptop also. Edit, and let's choose the image. So I'm not going to choose the correct image, instead I will choose a wrong image, which is mobile, and update. Okay, so you'll be able to see that it's uploaded as mobile. So now what we have to do, you have to upload the correct image. So let's click on edit. So guys, once you upload the new image, the old image should be deleted. So let me just show you that. Before updating it, let's go to our file explorer and public upload category. So here you have two images, right, of mobile. So one mobile will be deleted, which is on the laptop. So yep, now you can upload one laptop image, open, and let's update here. Cool, so category updated, go back. Here you see laptop image is updated. Okay, so you'll not be able to see one more mobile, instead you are seeing a laptop. Cool. So guys, we saw that also how to remove the old image and upload with the updated image or new image. Okay, and then guys, if you want to delete also, you can just delete the image while deleting the category. So let me just add one dummy record here, like AST and AST. Let's check here, and I'm going to upload the smart image itself, smartwatch. Let's save. go back, and here you see you have created one dummy record with the smartwatch, and here you find you have two smartwatch images, so one of them will be deleted according to the ID. So now guys, get back to your editor, and here you see we have one delete route which is going on the destroy method. So let's go over there, and here you need to check when deleting the record. So before deleting the record, you need to delete the image. So use a if condition and just check file exists or not. If exists, check with the path dollar category of your complete path, which is going to be in your image column. Okay, so you are taking that and using the same complete path with the help of delete method, you are deleting the image. So now guys, let's get back and refresh. So here we have four images. Let's click here to delete the last deleted. Perfect. And now let's see if we have deleted or not. Cool. So the image also is deleted. Done guys. So guys, we have seen about how to upload the image, display the image, and edit and update the image, and also delete the image. Okay, so guys, in this video that's it, and let's continue in next video with the new topic. So thank you for watching this video guys. Please subscribe, like and share.